From Georgie Studios in Pacifica, it's the Daily Report, the 20th subscriber special. Wait, we can't call it the 20th subscriber special anymore. I got a new subscriber. Let's do this again. From Georgie Studios in Pacifica, it's the Daily Report, the 23rd subscriber special. Tonight, I run over air cushions with my car, featuring Rudy Evenhouse on the piano. And now, please welcome your host, Rudy Evenhouse. Welcome to the Daily Report 21 subscriber special. First, let's talk about politics. Well, they say anyone can be president, and Donald Trump is living proof. So recently, Trump visited Japan, where he was the guest of honor at a sumo wrestling match. Now, I think Trump would be a great sumo wrestler. He's really fat and he loves fighting with people. You know, some call the Arctic the Great Silence. I sure know what the Great Silence is. It's what happens after I tell a joke. Hi, Georgie. Provide me with some good content, Georgie. Here, play with this dog toy. To celebrate 21 subscribers, I'm going to run over 21 air cushions with my car. Let's get started. Looks like there's some that didn't pop. Well, you know what we do now. Okay, now we're going to pop the second half. We'll be right back. Thank you to all my subscribers and to everyone who watches my videos. Good night.